Ever seen someone walk into a room and suddenly, all eyes are on them? They don't speak. They don't try. But somehow, they own the space. That's not luck. That's not confidence. That's psychology, and it works like magic. This is not manipulative mind game, but smart, simple tricks backed by science that can help you build trust, influence others, and navigate everyday life like a pro. Whether you're at work, school, or social situations, these tricks are so subtle, people won't even notice you're using them. Ready to unlock the hidden superpowers of your brain? Let's dive into 6 psychological hacks that actually work and can change the way people see you. Before starting the video, let me know from which country you are watching my video. I would love to know about my lovely audience. So, let's start the video. 1. Use their name often. Trick: use the person's name naturally in conversation. Why it works: hearing our own name gives us a hit of dopamine. It makes us feel respected and valued. It's one of the sweetest sounds to any human ear. 2. Say you're right instead of I know. Trick: when someone praises or agrees with you, say you're right. Why it works: it makes the other person feel smart and validated, not dismissed. Brain small change, huge impact in conversations. 3. Use the power of the pause. Trick: if someone gives you an unsatisfying answer or lies, just stay silent and look at them. Why it works: silence makes people uncomfortable, and they often fill it by revealing more information or the truth. Perfect for interviews, arguments, or catching someone fibbing. 4. The power of touch: use carefully. Trick: a light tap on the shoulder or handshake can create warmth. Why it works: touch can increase trust and connection, but always keep it appropriate. Used subtly, it adds sincerity to your message. 5. Copy their body language. Trick: subtly copy the other person's gestures, posture, or tone. Why it works: it creates a subconscious connection called mirroring, making people feel understood and connected to you. Use this to build instant rapport in conversations. 6. Foot in the door technique. Trick: start with a small request, then build up to what you really want. Why it works: once people commit to something small, they're more likely to continue. Use this in sales, negotiations, or convincing your friend to do something big. These psychological tricks aren't magic, they're rooted in how our brains are wired. When used with good intentions, they can help you build better relationships, improve communication, and even become more persuasive, all without being manipulative. Try a few of these out today and watch how people respond differently.